Did you know that nearly 70% of the world is lactose intolerant? With so many people cutting out dairy, it's no wonder dairy-free alternatives are on the rise. But what about sauces? How do you replace the creaminess in your favorite recipes without dairy? Let's dive into some incredible, flavorful options. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking all about dairy-free sauce alternatives. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or just looking to cut down on dairy, finding delicious alternatives for creamy sauces can be a game changer. From pasta sauces to salad dressings, there are plenty of ways to create that rich, satisfying taste without using dairy. So, if you're looking to enjoy your favorite sauces without the dairy, stick around, we've got some fantastic options coming up. When people cut out dairy, one of the biggest challenges is finding substitutes that still bring that creamy, rich flavor to dishes, especially sauces. Let's face it, dairy is often what makes sauces smooth and indulgent, whether it's Alfredo sauce for pasta, creamy salad dressings, or even classic cheese sauce. For many, dairy-free sauces are tricky to master because it's challenging to find ingredients that mimic that perfect consistency and flavor. Without the right ingredients, dairy-free sauces can end up tasting bland or too watery, making it frustrating to recreate those familiar flavors we love. But with the right substitutes, you don't have to compromise on taste or texture. There are some wonderful plant-based ingredients out there that can bring that same creaminess, richness, and flavor to sauces without a drop of dairy. Today, we'll explore what makes a good dairy-free sauce alternative and some tips to overcome those common challenges. Now, let's get into some specific dairy-free sauce alternatives. We'll talk about the ingredients, flavors, and how you can use these sauces in different dishes. Cashew cream. First up is cashew cream, a fantastic base for creamy sauces. Cashews are mild in flavor but rich in texture, making them perfect for sauces that need that creamy thickness. To make cashew cream, you simply soak cashews in water, blend them until smooth, and add seasoning or spices based on the type of sauce you're making. Cashew cream works beautifully in pasta sauces, salad dressings, and even creamy soups. Coconut milk. Next is coconut milk. Coconut milk is a great dairy alternative for sauces because it has a rich, creamy consistency and a slight natural sweetness. It's commonly used in curries, but it can also be adapted for dessert sauces or even Alfredo-style pasta. Just keep in mind that it does have a subtle coconut flavor, which works well in certain recipes but may not suit every dish. Look for full-fat coconut milk for a thicker texture. Almond milk with thickening agents. Almond milk is widely available and can be used as a base for lighter sauces. But to get that creamy consistency, you'll need to add a thickening agent like cornstarch or arrowroot powder. This combination is perfect for sauces like béchamel cheese sauce, where you want a silky texture without a heavy flavor. You can add nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor or experiment with different seasonings for a unique twist. Tahini. Another fantastic alternative is tahini. Made from ground sesame seeds, tahini has a rich, nutty flavor and creamy consistency. It's perfect for savory sauces, especially if you're looking to make a dairy-free dressing or drizzle. Tahini works well in Middle Eastern dishes or as a base for dressings, and it pairs beautifully with lemon, garlic, and herbs. Nutritional yeast. For anyone craving that cheesy flavor, nutritional yeast is a lifesaver. Often used in vegan cooking, nutritional yeast adds a savory, cheesy taste without any dairy. You can mix it with cashew cream or almond milk for a quick, dairy-free cheese sauce. It's also fantastic for sprinkling on top of dishes like pasta, popcorn, or even potatoes. So, after testing out these dairy-free alternatives, here are my top 3 picks that really deliver on flavor and texture. Cashew cream. First, cashew cream. This is hands down one of the best alternatives if you're looking for a thick, rich sauce base. It's versatile, easy to make, and can be used for both savory and sweet sauces. Cashew cream has that perfect creamy texture that's hard to beat, making it my go-to choice for pasta sauces, creamy soups, and salad dressings. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is my second pick, especially for its ability to add richness without needing any thickening agents. It's perfect for curries and dessert sauces, and its slight sweetness works really well in certain recipes. Just keep in mind the subtle coconut flavor. If that's not a problem, then coconut milk is a fantastic option. Nutritional yeast cheese sauce. Finally, for a cheesy flavor, you can't go wrong with nutritional yeast. Mixing it with a base like almond milk or cashew cream gives you a satisfying, dairy-free cheese sauce that's perfect for pasta, pizza, or even nachos. Nutritional yeast brings that savory, cheesy taste that's hard to replicate with other ingredients. These three are my personal favorites because they balance flavor and texture, making them excellent substitutes for traditional dairy-based sauces. To wrap things up, there are so many creative ways to make delicious dairy-free sauces that don't compromise on taste or texture. From cashew cream and coconut milk to nutritional yeast and tahini, these alternatives allow you to enjoy creamy, flavorful sauces without the dairy. Whether you're looking to go fully vegan or you're just trying to cut down on dairy, these options are easy to make, versatile, and great for a variety of recipes. So, give these dairy-free sauces a try and see how they transform your cooking. The best part is, you can easily customize these bases with your favorite herbs, spices, and flavors. If you have a favorite dairy-free sauce or a recipe you swear by, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're cooking up. And don't forget to check out our next video on creative dairy-free cooking tips. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more plant-based goodness.